This right here is a Lasfit liner, and this is an OEM floor mat. Today I want to truly test and compare these two floor mats, not only to see how easy these are to clean, but also see how durable they are. And I'm going to test them through some conventional and some not so conventional methods. Let's get into it. The first test is going to be a dry test, and spread it around. And of course, the same thing on this side. Now that we have them both messed up equal, let's go ahead and see which one is faster to clean. Starting with the OEM carpet, 3, 2, 1. You know, not bad. Now, let's do the Lasfit liner. And of course I could just tip this over and count it done, but I'm also going to vacuum it. And that's done. And here I have some soda, which, as you guys probably know, this stuff is not easy to get out, so let's see how they do. I let them both soak for a couple minutes, and let's go ahead and start with the OEM one once again. And the timer starts in 3, 2, 1. And I think we'll call that done. The stains are still there from before, but the soda's out, and don't get me started on if that dried. Let's move on to the Lasfit, and we'll start the timer in 3, 2, 1. And I think I'll call both of those done. So once again, they were actually pretty equal with time, but I will say the Lasfit was a lot easier to clean, especially if I used like a garden hose and just sprayed it off. I'm sure that would have been a lot faster. But to keep things fair, I'm trying to use the same tools for both. But there is one more test I still want to do, and that is a mixed dry and wet mess. And I want to see if there's a difference there. 1 chip each. And this time I'm going to let it dry for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. This time I got the garden hose. We'll see what we can do. Starting with the OEM in 3, 2, well, let me actually move this one. 3, 2, 1. I think we can consider that done. It's still a little bit wet, but not bad. Moving to the Lasfit in 3, 2, 1. And I would consider that done. And one thing to consider is this thing's still damp, so I can't put it back in the car yet. I could put this in right away. Anyways, let's get to the real test. So as you saw before, these things fit really good, they're easier to clean, but what I'm more personally interested in is how durable are these? Will they last you the rest of your car's life, or are you going to have to buy multiple pairs? And today I'm going to answer that question with some unrealistic approaches, but I'm hoping that they're going to answer the question of how durable are these really? So right here I have some synthetic motor oil. I'm going to go ahead and pour this on here to see if it will come off. I think that's a good amount. Now this is the least extreme test we're going to do today, and I can already tell you this would ruin a normal mat, so just to give you an idea of where we're heading. I think if I just soak it all up and use some alcohol, I think I can get it all out. Oil test complete, and it looks exactly how it started, so I think that's a pass. Let's step it up a little bit. My next test is for anyone who's automotively inclined and you don't have a toolbox. So Oh, we got a hole. Oh, and it kind of self-healed. Let's see the difference. Yeah. Well, that actually did quite a bit of damage. As you can see, some holes were punctured and there are some scrapes that persisted. Honestly, doesn't look that noticeable, but if you look at the backside, it did puncture through. Of course, you're not going to be smacking your mats, but this is important. If you drop something heavy on your floor mats, it might puncture. But since it is rubber, it kind of self-healed and closed up the hole. So this still should be waterproof. If we look at the normal floor mat, looks pretty normal. There are some chunks missing, and same issue. There are holes where I hit it. So same issue with the normal floor mat. Let's take it up a notch. The next test is for if you're a smoker, or maybe your shoes are just so fired that you might catch your floor mats on fire. But I'm going to set them on fire and see which one holds up a little bit better. Look at how quickly that melted. Oops. It's steaming. I only caught it on fire. Well, that went a lot better than I expected. They actually survived, or the Lasfit actually survived, but I'm not satisfied. So let's step it up one more time. Okay, that was a bit uncalled for, but the next test is I want to test out paint. I've heard a lot of stories of people spilling paint on their carpets and they're ruined. I think these rubber floor mats will survive. Let's get one solid scoop on each. And maybe a little bit over there in the nice part of the carpet where it's not burnt. The same thing on this one. I could clean this a little bit more and probably get it pretty close to perfect, but I'm going to actually try putting more paint and see if it'll come off in one coat. Also, I feel like it's more realistic if you spill paint. You're not gonna be able to clean it right away. I'll see you guys back once it's dry. Okay, and it is the next day. It's not fully dry. There are still some wet spots, but let's see if we can take this out. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more. If it doesn't come off now, honestly, I think I'll just give up. I found out that the best way to take paint off is to let it dry, peel it off, and use a brush to take off the small stuff. But it's all out. So paint test complete, and I think that counts as a pass. Honestly, if this floor mat can survive all of that, I think it deserves a spot in my Camry. So out with the old OEM and in with the slightly used floor mat. These actually fit perfect. So one of my biggest gripes about aftermarket floor mats is that they don't fit great. But Lasfit actually did a really good job with these ones. After all the tests I did, you can see the remnants of my testing. These floor mats still fit basically perfect. And that's actually because Lasfit 3D scans every car that they make floor mats for, and they perfectly mold it. So you don't have to worry about any stuff getting behind your floor mats. And just saying, this is the worst example. If we go to the driver's side, you can see this one is absolutely perfect. And the depth pedal is covered, behind the brake pedal is covered. I can even go in here and kick around, try scooting it around, and it doesn't move. It's still perfect. And overall, I don't think these are only a good replacement for your OEM floor mats, but I think these are a really good and worthwhile upgrade for your floor mats. They're easier to clean, they fit better, as you can see, they protect more, they're more durable, and they're going to last longer and look better in the long run. I just think it's a win-win-win-win, and honestly, for the price, I don't think you can get much better. Not to mention their floor mats are front, rear, and trunk. You can already see I have my film equipment back here, and I don't have to worry about it scraping anything, damaging anything, because these are really high quality, durable floor mats. And they even sell LED lights just in case you want to see your really nice floor mats a little bit better at nighttime. Honestly, I was not expecting to be sitting here right now with a floor mat right beneath my feet in one piece that still fits. Kind of crazy. And just in case you guys are curious what happened to the original floor mat, not so soft anymore. My dad actually drew a picture on here, but I would say that is ruined. I know it's going to sound biased when I say this because they sent these to me for free, but even if I paid for these full price, no discount, which I can give you a discount, but with no discount, no nothing, if I pay for these, I'd still be saying the same thing. These are some of the highest quality floor mats I've ever had. They're made out of, I believe it's a material called TPE, a softer material than most rubber floor mats. They're not as slick. So if you're interested in upgrading your floor mats, or you're sick and tired of cleaning your car every 2 days, check out the link below. I talked to people at Lasfit and they gave me a special discount just for my viewers. So use that link below to get that discount. I genuinely was not expecting to like them as much as I do, but here I am ranting about how much I like them. So they won me over, and I hope that they win you guys over too. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.